accommodation. Accommodations, you require two stimulus, okay? One that is 20 inches away from the eye and one that is about 12 to 14 inches. Okay, and what I'm going to have her practice doing, so accommodation is the ability to look from near to far, okay? So the one at 12 inches and the one at 20 inches is from near to far. So Stephanie, with both of your eyes, so this is another binocular skill. So accommodation and vergence is binocular. Okay, Stephanie, when I watch you, I want you to look at the blue. Now look at the green. Blue, green. Blue, green. And you're looking for them being able to transfer their gaze from one stimulus to the other without closing their eyes, without reporting any double vision. Okay, that's the ability, the accommodation. So the accommodation reflex is controlled by creating number 2 and 3. It's that increased curvature of the lens. And it's something we do every day. We always look up when we're driving. We look, when we're driving, we look at the radio and then we look back at the road. Okay, when you're reading something or when you're taking notes, you're looking at me, you're looking at the screen, you're looking at your notes, you're looking at the screen, you're looking at notes. You know, you're doing accommodation, going back and forth so much. So it's a very necessary visual function that we all need. It's very frustrating when it doesn't happen or doesn't work anymore.